everyone, it's Marky. Today I just wanted to talk about this Nexxus shampoo and conditioner combo. This is all I use anymore. It is really great for my hair, and I've seen a really huge improvement in my children's hair also. Both of these bottles are 32 fluid ounces, so they last for quite a while. They do have the pump, which is super easy and convenient, I think. It smells amazing. I absolutely love the smell of it. My husband constantly tells me how good my hair smells, so that's definitely a win. I've been using this for probably over a month now. I switched from a different one, and I now know I will never go back. This is for more dry and damaged hair, whether it's just from my kids' hair gets really dry and damaged just from being outside so much in the summer. I myself have just kind of destroyed my hair with coloring it and using heat on it too often, so I really needed something that was going to deeply nourish it, and this totally does the job. It is made with 2 different types of protein and then hyaluronic acid. It's really clean ingredients. I actually read through all of them and I was really impressed. Like I said, smells great, works great. My hair has never looked healthier. It makes it shiny, it makes it just healthy and bouncy, and it doesn't weigh it down. The consistency of both is really good. I will show you. So the shampoo is like more of this pretty gel, but it's still thick. And then the conditioner is just heavenly smooth. So the conditioner is just really creamy. It's not sliding off my hand. It's thick and nice and really feels like it's being absorbed into your hair really well. Like I said, yeah, I've been using this for at least a month, and I will never turn back because I love them both so much. A little goes a long way. I don't have to use a huge amount, even though I do have a lot of hair, which I love. And then with the conditioner, what I typically do is after I shampoo really well, I will leave this in my hair for about 3 minutes while I'm in the shower, and it just makes a world of difference even after the first use. So if you were looking for a new shampoo and conditioner, I would highly recommend you look into this one. So I hope it was helpful. Thank you.